Hello guys, welcome. In the last video we created Jitsi method inside admin controller. In this video we want to create our Jitsi table. Guys, let's go to our PHP my admin. Select the database that you want to use. Guys, let's create our table. I'm going to say Jitsi table. How many number of columns do we need? Guys, let me show you. We need the title of the live class that we want to create. We need the description. Which class are we creating that live class for? If we are creating for class A or class B, it means all the students in class A or class B would have access to the meeting. Okay, so the section also is important. Actually, these are not okay. It depends on what you want to use this Jitsi for. Okay, but in our own case, we want to integrate Jitsi to our school management system, and that is why we have all these class section stuff like that. But if you are using it for another purpose, you should create your table in such a way that it will be suitable or it will go along with the purpose of creating Jitsi. Okay, so we are going to create the meeting date, the start time, end time, the user ID. Don't forget, I said we are going to give admin and teachers the privilege to create live class. So we are going to store both ID inside user ID column, but we are going to do some logic here to determine who is creating the live class. So we need to track the status of the class. Is it pending? Is it an approved or published? Is it an expired live class? So that is what status is going to do for us. We need a room, and we are going to generate some set of string values here inside Zoom column and the published date. So we need about 11 column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 with the ID, so that makes it 12. I'm going to type 12 here. Beautiful. So here let's call it Jitsi ID AI, which stands for auto increment. We need the title, we need the description. What else? We need class ID, we need section ID, meeting date, start time, and end time. So let's just copy all that. User ID, the status of the meeting, the room, and publish date. Beautiful. So guys, we need to specify the data type. Okay, if you point to this guy here, okay, so that type means the type of information that particular column must accept. For example, if we chose int, which stands for integer, it means this column could accept only numbers. Okay, for varchar means accept numbers and text. Okay, you should know all this. Okay, now let me waste time on all that. So here guys, I'm going to select long text, description, long text, class ID, section ID, meeting date, we need integer. Start time, let's select varchar and 20 is okay. For the end time, I'm going to select varchar 20 is also okay. So here we need varchar. Okay, let's make it 200. Okay, because we can have username, a long username. Okay, so the status, let's select varchar 200. Actually 20 is okay. The room, I'm going to select long text because we are going to generate some set of strings there. So publish date, we need an integer. And the last part that we are going to discuss is collation. Guys, you need to select UTF-8 CI because this will enable us to be able to translate to any desired languages. Okay, beautiful. So you need to select all these UTF-8 Unicode CI. Okay, we are almost done, guys. If you have done that, you can pause the video and you can move to the next lectures. But for those that want to stay with me, it's okay. Let's continue picking what we should select. Okay, I just hope the lecture is not boring. Don't worry, we are going to start to write codes very soon. So I'm going to click on save. Congratulations, guys, we have successfully created Jitsi table. In the next video, we are going to start to build our form so that we can have something similar to this Zoom. Okay, so thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.